Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to delve into another data type. Yes, data types, in which we are cracking our heads for the past several videos. We have covered lists, we have covered dictionaries, and now is the time for sets. Yes, the same sets that you study in your matric examinations and enter in mathematics paper. So, but what the set is, let me give you an example. For example, you have sent a guest form for a dinner at your house to all of the invitees. Now they have to give you the confirmation that yes, they are coming or not. But some of the guests have filled the form two or twice or thrice, and that has made the data, the count, inaccurate. So what you want is to remove the duplicate from the guest list. How can you do that? So for example, by the form you got a guest list called Hussein, Tahir, Mustafa, Ahmad, Saifuddin, Muhammad, and this Hussein person has filled the form two or thrice. Also that Tahir person named Tahir. Okay, so we want to filter out this list such that the duplicates are eradicated. What should I manually do it myself? Yes, this is Tahir. They are twice here and there. Removed it. No, you are programming. Don't do things manually. What you do is you convert this list into a set because sets don't allow duplicates in itself. This is the main and the pivotal specification of set. They don't allow duplicates even though the order doesn't matter. There is no order. Lists, they do have an order. The indexes matter in them. In sets, the order doesn't matter. But having duplicates is paramount to be a deadly thing for sets. That's why they kill all the duplicates. Set of guests. This is set guest. And hooray, we have now eradicated all the duplicates from our list that was previously called guest. See, Ahmad, Hussein, Muhammad, Mustafa, only the unique values are remaining. Now, if I want to add something in the set, what do I do? For list, we used to something like this: guest dot append Tahir. Okay, that's how you add things in list. But instead of append word, for sets you used set of guests add mufaddal. Okay, what if I try to add it again? Will that be added? Let's see. First check it out that if it has added or not. Yes, mufaddal is added. Let's add it again. I have been trying to add it again. So was that added? No, you can see Mufaddal was not added twice because sets doesn't allow us to have duplicates in them. What if I want to remove it? It's the same method we use for list. Set of guests dot remove and the value called Hussein. And now Hussein will hopefully be removed from the set of guests. Here we have. Okay, so to conclude this video, we can say the sets are unique unordered lists. They are a kind of list, but they don't allow duplicates, and the order does not matter in them. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video with some exciting functions that you can do upon sets. One that closely resembles with what you have studied in your matriculations. Thank you.